Let's dive into a tiny component that causes some huge problems: auxiliary contacts. 40%. Yeah, you heard that right. That's how many failures trace back to just one common and totally preventable mistake. So what's the secret to getting this right every single time? Let's break it down. Okay, it all starts with one simple idea: the normal state. Think of a normally open contact like an open gate. There's no path until you activate it. And normally closed is, you guessed it, the exact opposite. The gate is already closed. And here you can see how they're perfectly opposite. One is open and the other's closed. All right, enough theory. Let's see how this works in a real-world indicator circuit. So when the breaker's open, it's normal state. The normally closed contact lets that green light shine. But when you close that breaker, the contacts flip, and now the red closed light comes on. Seems pretty straightforward, right? Well, getting it wrong has some really serious consequences. Okay, mistake number one, and it's a big one: just swapping the NO and NC wires. The result? You think a circuit is open and safe, but it's actually closed and live. So dangerous. And that's why this advice is golden. Never, ever trust wire labels alone. You have to test. All right, next up is mistake number two: daisy chaining. This one is a real trap. This creates a massive single point of failure. One contact goes and your whole system is blind. And finally, mistake number three: ignoring contact bounce, especially with sensitive PLCs. It's this tiny mechanical flutter that sends false signals, totally corrupting your data and alarms. So, how do we dodge all of these bullets? Well, it comes down to one simple, powerful rule. It's the golden rule. You have to physically verify everything with a meter before you energize. No exceptions. So, this tiny switch is a huge deal for safety. The real question is, are you giving it the attention it deserves?